Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve this sausage fried rice. This is very easy and yet delicious. It will take you some few minutes for you to be done with it. So to start, I added my butter into my pan. Then I went ahead to saute my sausage. I did on both sides 2 to 3 minutes until it was golden brown. Then I'll go ahead to take it off and continue with the cooking process. Over here, I'm just turning it out to make sure each side is cooked very well. After achieving that, I went ahead to take it off. Then, yeah. Everyone is doing wonderfully well. Happy New Year to each and every one of you. I hope all your dreams and your aspiration come to pass. Yeah. So over here, I went ahead to add some green onion and some red onions. We'll fry this until it's translucent. Then I'll go ahead to crack 2 eggs into it. To achieve the fluffiest egg, I'll go ahead to add some butter to it. This is optional. If you want to add it, that is fine. It's gonna add some flavor to the eggs. But yeah. So after adding the butter, I'll go ahead to add some chili flakes because I need a little bit of cake or heat in it. You can omit it as well if you don't want any heat. Then I went ahead to add some salt to taste and some black pepper. Yeah, after adding all those, I'll continue by adding the veggies to it, and I'm gonna link down below how I cook the rice for this fried rice, and I have a recipe for shrimp fried rice as well that is equally delicious if you want to check it out. And I want to thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really do appreciate you all. Comment down below if you want to try this recipe or you've tried any of my recipes so far. And over here, I went ahead to add some frozen veggies here. It has carrots, some corn, green onion, green beans, some peas, and I added some orange bell pepper as well. With the veggies, you can decide to omit or add some more veggies to it. As I always say, you are the one who is going to consume, so you can add or omit anything that you prefer. Yeah, after adding that, I'm gonna cook it and for a little bit, like 2 to 3 minutes, before I'll continue with the cooking process. If you've been watching me till now, please subscribe to your girl and like and share with your loved ones. Yeah, this fluffy rice was made from a rice cooker and it's the easiest and stress-free. I'm gonna link it down if you want to check it out. And after adding the rice, I went ahead to add my dark soy sauce, mix everything to combine, and then I will just let it simmer. Voila, your rice is ready. If you've been watching me till now, please subscribe to your girl. And yeah, I went ahead to add the rest of the ingredients, which is the sausage. I used beef sausage in this recipe. Just use any, or you can omit it altogether. But trust me, if you follow this exact recipe, you're gonna come and thank me later. Yes, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the subscribe button, like and share to your loved ones. Until my next one, I'm gonna link some recipes up here that you can watch until my next one. And then I will see you. Stay safe. Be blessed. Bye.